Biggest news in Jamaica right now. Hurricane Beryl, NCB launches 300 million disaster relief fund. The National Commercial Bank, Jamaica Limited, NCBJ, through its Jamaica arm, NCB Foundation, has announced the launch of 300 million disaster relief fund to support those affected by Hurricane Beryl, the Category 4 system which ravaged several parts of Jamaica on July the 3rd of this year. The founder, working with other approved charitable organizations, will provide support to individuals and communities impacted by the hurricane. This will primarily assist with the restoration of homes and farmers' crop in several damaged parishes such as St. Elizabeth, Hanover, and Manchester. CEO of the NCB Foundation, Sherry Martin, explained the fund will establish with an initial pledge of 20 million from NCB. We will also solicit corporate and individual contribution for this vital cause. All donation received will be matched by the NCB up to the maximum of 150 million. We are deeply concerned for our fellow Jamaicans who have suffered emotionally and financially loss due to this hurricane. The fund is opportunity to provide some viewers and subscribers. NCB I do a thing for Jamaica right now. It's needed because, believe it or not, my viewers and my subscribers, Jamaica got a hard hit by the passage of Hurricane Beryl. It's not something to play with. The hurricane still leave damages in our country. So viewers and subscribers, man charged with stealing and selling car of elderly couple who were fatally shot in South Florida. So Maurice Newson, 30, Dave, was arrested in May on a warrant for charges of grand theft auto and dealing in stolen property according to court record. Newson, who had been in a relationship with one of the victim's granddaughter, pleaded not guilty to the charges last month and was released on bond. Mayor Claudette Melvin, age 89 and 85 respectively, had owned a 2014 Ford Fusion, which was missing when Fort Lauderdale police reported the deceased couple home on March 22nd. Investigations began into this incident.